Cell as a basic unit. On completion of this topic, the student will be able to define a cell, explain significance of cells in organization of living organisms, compare organelles present in animal cells with that of plant cells.
All living organisms are composed of cells. Cell is the smallest unit of life that can perform all life processes. Human body is made up of millions of cells. These are the examples of multicellular animals. All these are made up of uncountable number of cells. This is a spirogyra, a free-floating filamentous form of green algae. Its cells are cylindrical in shape and are connected end to end. The cells of an onion skin are generally rectangular in shape. This is a monocot plant. Here are the epidermal cells of this plant. Now, we will compare the cells with the bricks of a wall. Bricks arranged in a systematic manner form a wall. In a similar fashion, identical cells join and form a structure known as tissue. A tissue is an ensemble of cells which carries out a specific function. Just compare the organization of small units in both these structures. Body of all living organisms is made up of different kinds of cells. There are certain differences in structure of cells taken from two major groups of the living world, animal and plant. Cells from both these groups have certain differences also. This is a microscopic view of an animal cell. Cell membrane. It is the protective layer that covers the cell's surface. It is like the skin on your body. This is a mitochondrion, the organelle that releases energy in the cell. This is a vacuole. These are small sacs that move material in and out of the cell. Flat disc-shaped sacs form Golgi apparatus. These stacks of tubules are responsible for packaging of proteins and helping them to move around the cell. This is the nucleus. The nucleus contains genetic information and controls all activities of the cell. Now, let us see how a plant cell looks like. It is surrounded by a rigid covering known as cell wall. This layer gives the plant cell a regular shape. A single large vacuole is another unique feature of plant cells. This is chloroplast. It is a double-layered structure that contains chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps the energy of sunlight, which is then used by the plant cell to make its food. Organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, etc. are the same and perform similar functions as they do in animal cells.
Let us answer some questions to revise the structure of both the cells. Which structure contains genetic material? The correct answer is nucleus. What is the function of vacuoles in a cell? The correct answer is to help in moving material in and out of the cell. Which units are responsible for packaging of proteins? The correct answer is
Golgi apparatus.
Plants make their own food. In their cells, which organelle helps in preparation of food? The correct answer is chloroplast. Cell wall gives a regular shape to plant cells. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true.